With so many alternative ways to make money online on the internet, claiming free PayPal money is one of the best and easiest ways to start making money online as a complete beginner with no experience. And in this video, I will show you multiple different ways how you can get free PayPal money in just a few simple steps. No investments needed, and you can claim this free PayPal money from anywhere in the world and at any time of the day. If you've been looking to make money online, then this is the best video for you, because in this video I will show you completely different legit websites where you can just get free PayPal money, and some of these websites will literally give you money without doing anything. And the great thing is that nobody knows about these websites. All you need is an internet connection, and you can either use your mobile device or alternatively use a laptop, and that's all you need. If you like the sound of that, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more amazing videos on how to make money online. And another thing, I've noticed that most of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed to the channel. I would appreciate it if you do subscribe, and remember that you can always change your mind later. Step 1. For the first step, you will have to go to paypal.com and create your account for free if you haven't already. Whether that is a personal account or a business account, it doesn't really matter because both accounts work perfectly regardless. Once you've successfully created your PayPal account, then you can confidently move to the next step. Step 2. The first way to get free PayPal money is through a mobile application called BuzzBreak. BuzzBreak allows its users to get paid just for posting stories on their BuzzBreak account. It's almost the same as posting stories on Instagram, WhatsApp, or Snapchat. The only difference is that BuzzBreak pays you for posting those stories. As indicated over here, you can see that the mobile app is available for both Android and iOS. After creating and logging into your BuzzBreak account, you will see that thousands of people are already using this opportunity to make extra free PayPal money with BuzzBreak just by posting stories. The second website that you can use to get free PayPal money is called Gain.gg. Gain.gg is a website that pays its users for completing 3 to 5 minute surveys and other offers. And if you scroll down on this page, you can see that this website has already paid over 1 billion coins, which you can later convert into real money and withdraw via PayPal or any other payment method of your choice. As you can see, Gain.gg is currently sitting at more than 300,000 users all over the world, and as we speak right now, there are hundreds of people who are currently online right now at this very moment earning money from this website. To start earning money with this website, just scroll to the top and click on Earn. Once you've collected a few coins, you can click on Withdraw in order to withdraw your money. The third site on our list is called Fameswap.com. Fameswap is a website where anyone can buy, sell, and trade different social media accounts in exchange for free PayPal money. For example, if you have access to an old or new social media account of any platform that has a decent number of followers or subscribers, you can actually come on over to Fameswap and sell that account for big amounts of money. If you go to the Browse section, you can see that there are people selling YouTube channels, Instagram accounts, TikTok accounts, and more. And if we go ahead and filter the search results only by Instagram's accounts, you can see that there are a lot of people selling Instagram accounts ranging from only $100 right up to thousands of dollars. As you can see, this one sells for $550, another one selling for $1,150, $450, $500, $1,220, and so many more others. You can also sign up on this platform for free and sell Instagram accounts for whatever amount of money you want to charge. So if you have an old social media account with a decent following that you are not using anymore, now you know what to do with it. Going to the next website where you can get free PayPal money, this one is called Shrinkme.io. Shrinkme.io is a website where you can get paid just for shrinking your link and getting clicks on it, which makes everything a lot more easier to get free PayPal money. If you scroll down to the payment proof, you can see that there are many people who are currently getting paid free money just for shortening their links. You can see that this person got paid $5.08, this one $10.20, another one $11, $25, $23, $36, and many more other people. You can also see the types of payment methods they use to withdraw their free money, and PayPal is also available. If you are wondering what types of links are allowed on this platform, then I'm glad to tell you the good news that this website allows literally any link of your choice. Even if you choose to shrink a YouTube video link, you can still do that, regardless if the video was created by you or not. Make sure to send the link to your friends and family, get them to click the link, and make free PayPal money just like that. The fifth website we are going to be looking at is called Listverse.com. Listverse is a platform where anyone can share a list of interesting, hilarious, creepy, and bizarre stuff from the internet and actually get paid free money just by doing so. For instance, you can see that somebody else shared an article called 10 Comic Book Superheroes Based on Real People, and you can already see another one called Top 10 Creepy Aspects of a Victorian Life. There are many more shared articles as you scroll down the page. Now on this platform Listverse, you can get paid a free $100 for every article link you send to the website, provided that it's an article list of creepy, hilarious, or bizarre list of anything. To get paid, just hover over here and select Write and Get Paid. From there you will be redirected to their instruction page where they tell you how much they pay and what types of articles they expect you to send to them. To submit an article link, just scroll down and click on Submission Form. Then from there you will be provided with a form where you will have to fill in the information needed, including your PayPal address so they can pay you. If you like making money online videos like this one and want to explore and try even more different ways to earn money online, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then you can freely comment down below to let us know what you think. And I will see you in the next video.